Good evening, tutor and classmate. My name is Álvaro Alexander Vargas Gomez. It's a pleasure to me stay once again with everyone. And this is my final task. So, about the introduction, according to all the material developed throughout this course, it would be good to remember that a research project is based on knowing what the problem is and what factor I will determine my research. Starting from this premise, some important aspects are related, such as, for example, age, goals, and if you have a time limit, and measurable work. There are many aspects that you need to have account. Basically, these are some aspects that must be borne in mind in order to carry out a research project. My investigation was about lack of the pedagogic in teacher. This research project was based on the lack of pedagogy that teachers still have when it comes to teaching English. Some have the traditional method and do not really on the tools offered by ACT or technology tools. Apparently, many of the teachers are still afraid to use technological tools, and this is due to lack of training or prior knowledge. That is a good point. Little participation with ICT. There are many articles that place the concern on the part of the state due to the lack of participation of teachers in the use of ICT. Although it's true we can see it, that teaching has a great challenge, and that is where pedagogy plays a fundamental role, since it will allow the cognitive and receptive development of the student, allowing them a high development in the process of academic formation. Integrate technologies in teaching. That is another point of view. So my research project. Within this same research project, we find an important contribution, say, by Canale 195 and Swan. They emphasize the importance of integrating a communicative approach with the technology, radio, TV, among other tools that facilitate the learning of a language. It should be noted that thanks to the internet today we have more facility to teach and learn languages. What achievement can be achieved? So advantage of using of technology tool in the field of education are, for example, technology tool for teaching. You need hardware and software. Between or within in hardware, you can find computer, laptop, smartphone, different tools. Other advantage in the technology tool will be coverage to distant regions, better structured teaching, advantage of using tools, technology, dynamic classes, and easy collaborative. There are many advantages. Internet as a technology tool. Another point in favor of the use of technological tools we find in the different applications that we can find through the web. For example, for learning English, we find translator, video, music, games, different applications. I don't know what else, among many more. All this material facilitates teaching and learning. Finally, or my conclusion is include that the great teachers are formed through the discipline. It is necessary that the pedagogy reign in the classroom. in the same way that the teacher take a forceful way of the technological tool to be able to develop a pleasant class and fun. All these things will allow an advance in education and many outstanding students. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.